na welcome mula sa bayan po ng Alaminos. Welcome to the home of 100 Island.
Thank you for making this possible. The third year and also the biggest, yes, in the history of Jollibee Group as a whole.
Nararamdaman na po natin ang climate change. But rest assured, we will be with you dito po sa planting po ninyo. And we are very happy po dahil matutulungan nyo kami dyan. Bakit tayo nagtatanim ng mangroves? Dahil po ang mga mangroves po, they play a big role in protecting our shores, cleaning our water and air as well, and providing shelter for the fish and other marine lives. By planting mangroves, we're helping to make our community more resilient to storms and floods.
We extend our appreciation to be part of this significant initiative, which is the Mangrove Reforestation Project, led by our environmental partners, which is the Jollibee Foods Corporation, Jollibee Foundation, and with the partnership of our city government of Alaminos, Pangasinan. Sana po masustain din po natin yung mga itatanim po natin mga mangrove. So,
I'd like to say thank you because you are investing in the future of our Mother Earth, in our future customers. Maraming salamat for your time and yung pawis ninyo na igugugol nyo today, no?
I'm Beth po from District 1, Area 4, from Jollibee San Juan, La Union po.
I'm Feby po from Jollibee La Union din po.
Bali, experience today po sa mangrove planting is fulfilled and exciting, then stress-free siya.
Ganun din siya, talaga mawawala yung stress mo. Parang hindi mo mamamalayan yung oras na yun. Tapos na pala. Tapos po yung teamwork, talagang kitang-kita naman.
Isang magandang experience ito sa akin kasi first time ko na mag-tree planting ng mangrove. Napakasaya tsaka parang sobrang energy.
Though it's my second time, yung experience pa is parang nakaka-excite pa rin kasi for the nature talaga siya.
Ganun pa rin, same vibes, masaya. Na-experience ulit namin yung ganito na mapapansin mo. Sama-sama, lahat nandun pa rin yung team effort.
Third year in a row na po na andito na nagtatanim ng mangrove, and mas enjoy ngayon dahil sa mismong mangrove na farm nila kami nagtanim ng mangrove.
I would like to take this opportunity also to thank our RBU North Luzon headed by Ma'am Ellen Ñoñez kasi napakaganda po talagang experience to. Very fulfilling. At the same time, nakatulong tayo sa kalikasan at sa kinabukasan for the new generation.
Very happy to be a part of this mangrove reforestation project. So kasama namin lahat ng restaurant managers namin in the AST group, and the experience is really so happy. So nag-enjoy kami.
Really a worth of our time, and kahit medyo malayo pero the view talagang hindi matatawaran, and the experience is really worth it.
Ini-encourage namin dito sa program namin ang community engagement or community involvement. Kasi para magkaroon sila ng yung masasabi nilang yung lugar ay hindi lang sa LGU, kundi meron din silang masasabi nila na kasama kami dito sa program na ito. Yeah, para maparami pa natin lalo at ma-conserve ang mangrove ecosystem natin.
To Jollibee Group Foundation and of course to our LGU here in Alaminos, Pangasinan for
allowing us to experience this kind of activity. So kakaiba siya, napakasaya. Alam mo yun, pumunta doon sa tubig, lubog-lob, at saka magtanim ng seedlings, no, para sa future mangrove, future Jollibee zone natin dito sa mangrove forest in Alaminos, Pangasinan.